Well, a landmark case heads to a California court today, and it could change how your child consumes social media content. Meta, TikTok, and YouTube will all have to defend themselves against claims that their apps are built to get kids hooked and destroy their mental health. NewsNation's Ryan Bass is following this one closely for us. Ryan, this is being called the tobacco trial of our generation. What makes this case so potentially groundbreaking?
It's because it's the first of its kind, Markie. We actually spoke with a couple of attorneys. One of them said this is a bellwether case because for the first time ever, a jury will get to decide if social media companies are responsible, not for what users post, but for allegedly, deliberately changing their platforms and these algorithms to get users hooked. And the world is going to be watching this trial today that takes place in Los Angeles as it kicks off. A 19-year-old and her mother are suing TikTok, Meta, and YouTube, claiming they deliberately designed addictive features that destroyed her mental health. Heavy hitters are expected to take the stand in this trial, too, including Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg. Now, the tech giants, they are fighting back. They're claiming it's the content that users post that causes this harm, not their platform designs. They also insist that they've rolled out many safety tools like teen accounts and scroll blocking features as well. But this could set a precedent for more than 1,000+ cases that are similarly going on across the country. And if these social media companies lose, it could cost them billions of dollars. We spoke with two attorneys who talked with some of the hurdles that could be seen in this case.
One of the questions that the jury is going to have to answer is, what does it even mean for her to be addicted, and can the law recognize that?
It's going to be very difficult for the plaintiff to prove that her well-being was affected more than her genetics, more than her social standing. Therefore, she has to prove that all these other factors basically should be ignored.
Now, the 2023 National Institutes of Health study found that the duration and the frequency of social media use is directly linked to developing mental health issues. They say things like anxiety, depression, and insomnia around social media. Jury selection, by the way, Markie, that gets underway today. This trial is expected to last weeks, and everybody, the world will be watching this trial, as there's been a lot of folks that have been talking about whether or not we should restrict the use of social media with teens.
Yeah, and I know you said people like Zuckerberg are saying it's the content that's flawed, right? Not the platforms. I'm curious, what more are these social media companies saying publicly ahead of today's trial?
So we heard from Snapchat because they have already bowed out. They basically settled with the plaintiff last week. Meta, though, has released a statement through their spokesperson. I want to read it because they are basically flat out calling these accusations lies. They're saying it misportrays their work. They said, quote, "We strongly disagree with these allegations and are confident that the evidence will show our longstanding commitment to supporting young people." Now, YouTube also just got back to us. They told us in a statement the allegations are false and that providing young people with a safer experience has always been core to their work. This trial comes, Markie, as governments worldwide are cracking down on teen social media use. In fact, Australia has now banned kids under 16 from using these platforms. The UK could follow suit too, and we'll see what happens with this trial. Other states have started to implement some of these laws as well. This could have a huge ramification and long-lasting effects for a lot of these social media companies and teens using these platforms. Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.